section 4.2, problem number 3. We need to take this function here, find ordered pairs for it, and then plot it. So I have already gone through and done the work on the ordered pairs. We have x in the left-hand column. We have our function, 3x plus 1, where we do the work in the middle, and our results on the right-hand side. So for f of 2, we have 2 substituted in here. F of 2 equals 3 times 2 plus 1. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. I also do minus 1 here as an example. So f of negative 1 will equal 3 times negative 1, which is negative 3, plus 1 is negative 2. We follow the same pattern for all of these, and then we need to plot them. So here we have, the first point is 2, 7. So on the x-axis we find 2, on the y-axis we find positive 7, and we see where those two meet. So we read over from 7, we read up from 2, this is the first point. The second point is at x equals 1, y equals 4. So we go to where x equals 1, we find where y equals 4, that's our second point. We now have x equals 0, y equals 1. X equals 0 is going to be here on the y-axis, so our point will lie on the y-axis at x equals, or y equals 1. So this is our third point. Fourth point is negative 1, negative 2. So we read out to negative 1, we read down to negative 2. That's the fourth point. And the last point is negative 2, negative 5. So we find negative 2 on the x-axis, we read down negative 5 on the y-axis, and those are our 5 points. We can then connect these dots, and we end up with a straight line, which represents the function f of x equals 3x plus 1.